Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix SIM not working problem in your Poco M7 smartphone. Friends, you have to put Airtel SIM card. If you put another, then it is not working. And if you just put your Airtel SIM card and then it is not working, you have to just insert your SIM card to slot 2 or slot 1. Just change the places where you set. Then friends, if it is still not working, just restart your device. If it is a glitch or bug sometimes, or if it is still not work, then call this number 198, so the customer support will help you to unlock your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.